When you sneeze, you blast 20,000 to over 200,000 droplets of fluid. Each droplet carries from 1 to thousands of virions. They enter through the nose and get absorbed in the body. Upon entry, these virions lock their membrane to the cell's membrane and uncoat themselves. The viral genome spills into the cell. Viral genes hijack the cell's machinery, making endless copies of its genome. They build new viruses that mature with the host membrane. At the peak of illness, the virus that began in your intestine starts crushing the defenses. It seizes the backbone and drains your core. From there, it storms the brain and crawls along nerves to the fingertips, until even holding an apple becomes a battle you cannot win.